Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, DIY Ideas. Just like the interior of your home, garden is a space where you can get creative and create a place you love spending your time. To get the most out of your garden, some carefully chosen garden furniture is a must-have. In addition to picking a style that works for your outdoor area, consider which material might work best for your climate and design preferences. If you are attracted to DIY garden furniture projects, you should think about the appropriate tools when planning. Functional, stable, and weatherproof furniture that can be found in the markets, of course, has an advantage. However, homemade pieces bring a special charm to the outdoors and encourage creativity. One can be sure that a seat built by himself is absolutely eye-catching and unique. There are many creative upcycling ideas how to use various objects and transform them into useful pieces. An old barrel can become a table, a wine cooler, or a stool, for example. Car tires used wooden pallets. You could use those to craft original outdoor pieces in just a day. People who love crafting and DIY projects can take an advantage of the ideas in the gallery below and give new life to an old cupboard, headboard, or a chair. Even without instructions, you can build with pallets by yourself. DIY garden furniture projects will show you how to make a relaxing chair using plastic bottles. Due to its low weight, you can carry it easily without assistance. Padding for tree trunk stool can be manufactured in just a few minutes from old textiles. Anchored to the floor outdoor furniture made of concrete are sturdy, durable, and weatherproof. Although the casting of concrete is not very easy, with matching pillows and cushions is a great solution for outdoor use. Homemade pieces is equally suitable for use outdoors as well as inside.